This is low pressure gas hose. Its diameter is usually 10 mm or 12 mm. We will install the low pressure hoses from the pressure reducer to the map sensor, and then to the injector rail. Connect two ends of the two gas connectors of the map sensor first. Measure the length from pressure reducer to injector rail, and cut the gas hose in between such that the map sensor can be located at place for convenient and firm installation. Let's connect the gas inlet fitting of the map sensor to the gas outlet fitting or pressure reducer. Connect the gas outlet fitting of the map sensor to the gas inlet fitting of injector rail. Pay attention to fix every hose connection tightly with hose clamps to prevent air leakage. It's finished. For more information, please contact us.